Hey everyone, John here. I'm back again just to talk about the new August 4th generation smart lock. And what's great about this smart lock is it's Wi-Fi built in. Before you had to buy an $80 module and to get the Wi-Fi functionality. Now it's 45% smaller. This thing is almost half the size of the original. Looks almost the diameter of a regular lock. And we're going to go ahead and put it on. I am excited to try this. I am a fan of August locks, and I'm glad they sent me this. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. So right now you're going to have remote access, virtual keys, and auto lock and unlock feature. Now I like an auto lock and unlock feature because basically I've been using just regular touchpad key locks in my house, and I use a code to get in and out because the Bluetooth was just so unreliable. Now with Wi-Fi, I can have this unlock as I'm coming home. I can use my smartwatch. I've got an Apple Watch, of course, and just to open and unlock the doors, and Wi-Fi is built in. So that is the huge thing. Aside from the size, I love the size. It's so small, so quiet, and I'm excited to get it hooked up. But the fact that it has Wi-Fi built in is just huge for me. So I'm looking forward to that. Of course, I wanted to auto lock and unlock. I have a habit of just closing the door and forgetting about it. And it's smart to just shut the lock, have it auto lock when you're not there. Most locks have this feature, but now with Wi-Fi built in, it's going to work with your smart speakers. It's going to work with everything that you have. It is CNET's editor's choice. So I'm really super excited to try it and see what the hype is all about. Let's go ahead and install it. Okay, so this is what you get in the box. So just go ahead and look at that. We've got, of course, you got your manual to discuss it. It's super simple to put together. You've got the lock, which is really small. It does have a battery in there. It's got two special batteries, which are more expensive than AA's, but it lasts 6 months. With Wi-Fi, there's something that lasts 6 months on battery life. There are two energizers in here, and it's just unheard of. So I'm really excited about the battery life of this. And even though the batteries are expensive, that is a downside. I think that 6 months convenience is just huge. Inside, you're gonna have color-coded keys. These are the ones that adapt to any lock cylinder that you have. So what's really unique about this particular lock is that you use your same deadbolt. All you're doing is taking the back off. You're gonna put something like a big plate on the back, which is their adapter plate. Not a big deal. You're going to then put your color-coded, they've got blue, green, yellow, and red. Whatever fits your lock, you put that adapter piece on, you're going to put it on. So you get the instruction booklet, a fancy face plate if you want to just have a different diameter hole that you need to cover. Other than that, dirt simple. Okay, one thing I wanted to mention is that this is a $250 lock, so it's not cheap, but when you just take this cover off right here, you've got 4 magnets that hold this faceplate on, and you've got your Energizer lithium batteries. These are more expensive than your regular AA's that you would normally use, but they last 6 months. So that's a pretty good deal, even though these batteries are more expensive. I like the fact that you can put these batteries in there, and it's pretty good. So I just installed the August lock, and it is really, really nice. One thing I really forgot to mention in the beginning was this door sense. So it's got this magnet here, which will go ahead and sense whether the door is open or shut. So if you just open it, you do this, it will notice and will not shut the deadbolt until you go ahead and shut it. And once you shut it, it will, I have it set for 30 seconds, it's gonna go ahead and shut it and lock it once it's shut. And it does work flawlessly. Even if I have it just cracked open a little bit, it knows not to lock that deadbolt. So that is really good. And because it's Wi-Fi enabled, now I can sit there and unlock this from wherever I am. The other thing that I notice is that I can go ahead and set it to unlock when I'm coming home. So it has geolocates me and will unlock only when I'm near the door. So that's pretty good. Look, it locked up behind me, gave me that little nice sound. Overall, I really like this lock. I really agree with CNET's rating on it as being their editor's choice. I think I like the darker one better personally because I think that would look better. They don't have a satin finish that matches my doorknob, so I'm gonna go with just the dark matte finish and change it out to that, but I really love it and recommend it. Like and subscribe, and talk to you guys soon. Take care. Okay, so important to know. So I've been using this for a few days now, and a couple things. First of all, the door sense is amazing. Whenever you open the door and leave it open, it will just go ahead and keep it open the whole time. So there's no problem. It doesn't lock at all. The door sense works really well. The other thing to know is that when you're using the location, so when you're coming home, it'll automatically have it unlocked for you coming home. That seems to work flawlessly. If by chance you auto lock it and you're outside, you can use the app to let you in. The app lets you in just pretty fast, no problem. So when I use my Apple Watch to open it, it doesn't seem to open very fast. So sometimes it takes a while for the Apple Watch to connect to your Wi-Fi and to open it up, and it could take multiple tries. That is not the best user experience. So just to know that if you're buying it for that reason, it's going to give you a little trouble. But other than that, they might fix that in a future update. When I use it just opening with the app, I have no problem at all. Anyway, great product. I really approve this product, and I hope you all get it. Take care.